And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do these legs so that they're supported. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
Yeah. So, for the legs, I'm going to have 2 on this end, 2 on this end, 1, maybe, oh gosh, I might need 3 supporting the extension coming out, and then I want to have 2 on this back side. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do these legs so that they're supported. Now my legs are 19.5 inches, and what I did was I measured it to the storage bin that's going to be underneath this. I think I can get 2 under here, but I'm not sure. But I know I'm going to have plenty of space left over for those. So if you're going to have storage underneath, make sure you measure for that and then make your cuts accordingly. Come on up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 pieces and screw them in together like this, side by side. And then the main frame of the bed is going to sit on it like so, just like this, so that I have a little extra support here on that main frame, holding the weight of 2 people. I just want to make sure I have enough support for whoever may be sitting or sleeping on this bed, so that it doesn't come crashing down in the night. So I need to make some longer pieces that are going to fit. So I need to make some boards that are 22 inches long. Time to screw these together. So what I did was I took a piece of scrap to check the spacing here at the top. So this will be sitting upright like this. Main frame will be sitting directly on there like that. Make sure it's kind of even with the top as close as possible. And then I use my quick clamps to clamp it down. I'm going to be using a 1/8 drill bit and 2.5 inch screws, and I'm going to put 2 on each one. Alright, one set done, ready to go. I'm going to do the rest. I have all the legs completed. Now I'm going to stand this up where got it standing. Oh my goodness, what an accomplishment. Alright, now for the slider piece. I might only need here. It's a little tall. It's taller than I thought it would be. Now, let's see if this thing will slide. Yes, it does. Awesome. That's it. Extended out. I don't have the pins in, but it's extended out. And it seems like yeah, It seems like I may not need that extra leg in the middle. All right, I'm more than happy. Very happy. There you go. Just have to pick up on it a little bit. Oh. All right, y'all, that's gonna work. So I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with it. So all I gotta do now is get it in the cabin. Oh, before I put it in the cabin, you know what I need to do? I need to put some sealant on this. I got some linseed oil. I think I'll do that tomorrow morning. Paint it down with some linseed oil. Actually, I could do it tonight. And then tarp it. Put a tarp over it. I'll do that tomorrow morning. I'll put some I got boiled linseed oil. That's to seal it, protect it, and weatherproof it. So I'm going to do that tomorrow morning and then let it sit out all day and dry, and then after it dries completely, then we'll go ahead and get this in the cabin. Almost getting close to where I can sleep in there. It's getting there. Getting there. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye.